In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the heater and AC control on your Ford Focus. Let's get started. Go around the trim piece with a plastic tool and pop it out. Pull the assembly forward. If you need more room for the faceplate, you can put the car in neutral or drive and have a little bit of extra room. Remove the knob. Pull straight back. They can be pretty stuck on there. Pull up on that tab and remove the connector. Remove the Phillips head screw. Twist and pull out. Under the driver's side dash, we're going to find our mechanism. We're going to remove this mechanism. Push on either tab. And as we push on these tabs, we're going to pull out. Just like that. Using a pick, we're going to pop this clip open. Pull open on this top tab. And after you pull open, grab the bottom tab and pull it towards you. Open the clip. Remove our cable. Feed the new cable through. You may need to install the knob onto your control to be able to line it up. Once you get it lined up, snap it into place. Install the cables into the plastic clip. Close the clip around the cables. If you installed your knob, go ahead and remove that now. Install the switch into the faceplate. Install the screw. Install the connector. Be sure it's locked on. You can give it a pull back. Install the faceplate. Snap it in all the way around. Install your knob. These knobs will only go on one way. They do have one flat. If you took your vehicle out of park, go ahead and put it back in, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.